Major funding for the replacements is provided by the National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin. Country Inn and Sweets by CARLSON. At Jif Peanut Butter, we know just how choosy you are when it comes to your family, including the shows you value most. Public television encourages kids' curiosity and love of learning, and Jif is proud to support the replacements on behalf of all choosy moms and dads. The Replacements is made possible in part by the makers of Danimals yogurt, proud to help foster the growth and development of kids everywhere. Ernst & Young, our volunteers help bring the Replacements experience to life for kids across the country. Together we make learning math fun, so kids can reach their goals. Ernst & Young, quality in everything we do. Funding is also provided by the Pew Charitable Trusts, the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, dedicated to strengthening America's future through education, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.